What is up, guys? It is Kenny. I'm here for another sneaker review for Puff LA. Please subscribe, watch the whole video so I can show you the review of this shoe. We have the Satin Jordan 1 Snake Chicago. This is a size 10.5 in man, USA 12. Retail on these bad boys were $170. What I notice is when it's a girl sneaker release, they make the shoebox red. But let's get to it. Bam! I laced these bad boys up. They are still dead stock. And I'm just gonna pull them out. The box is just a normal box. What's cool about this one, it comes with red laces and white. I might do white later on. I like the black just because that's like the Chicago vibe I'm feeling for now, but I still need to rock these. But I wanted to make the video for you guys first. So let's get to it. First and foremost, this is super nice. It's like a leathery red leather. If you can see right there. Perfect leather. Then this is where the snake comes in and the back. Super dope. So the black is in the back. The lace, the swoosh is a snakeskin vibe, while the front is that red Chicago vibe. And then the satin is the inner, is the tongue and the inner padding in the back, as you can see. Yeah, super dope. So the bottom of the shoe is black, super crispy. These shoes are very comfortable. Obviously the stars are in the front like your typical Nike shoe. The lace though is a little bit different. It's like a little like, I think they're trying to go with that satin vibe. Compared to my other black laces for my ones, these are like more like shiny. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So overall it's a pretty cool shoe. I'm very happy I copped these on the sneaker app for retail. What I like is this, the Chicago red. The Chicago red is dope. Like, look at that. Just straight Chicago vibes. Let me know in the comments, are these a cop or a drop? And the inside though, to keep going, the sole, the inside padding is black. The Nike sign where it says Air is in red. And then this is pretty soft, the satin that's inside of the shoe. Soft material, shiny. And then like I said, the whole tongue is also satin. I don't put this on right there, just leave it empty. And then black late tag. Yeah, I think the main highlight of this shoe though is obviously the snake skin, but what really caught my attention was this. Just because Chicago ones are going for the high and then you get your chance to buy one, it's just not exactly the OG Chicago one, but it's the Chicago vibe. And then you got the black. This is still dope. Not that many people are a fan of that. Personally, I'm a fan. I love reptiles, so it's pretty dope. The white is super shiny. It's just, and then I'm just gonna go over the whole shoe so you can see that detail. Super clean. If you're thinking of getting these, I highly recommend them. They're dope. I think by time price will go up in these because of the colorway. It's just a banging shoe. Banger. Definitely pulling these out once COVID's over. I have the right, thing to pull them out. But I'm not just gonna pull them out. I want to wait for the right day. But yeah, the leather quality is A1. Everything about this shoe is A1. 9 out of 10 for me. But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Super dope shoe. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so I can give you guys more sneaker reviews. Also comment though. I want to know what you guys think. Like the video. And let me know if you liked it or not. This is Kenny signing off. Have a wonderful day, guys. Deuces.